Hi, Shane. Good morning. Good morning, Shing Shing Shing. Good morning, Ka. Good morning. How are you, Shane? Huh? How are you today? You finished your breakfast?
Yes.
What did you eat for your breakfast, Shane?
Right.
Huh? What did you eat for your breakfast?
Right. And soup.
Huh? You ate sandwich. Have you drink your milk already? Have you drink your milk? What is that? What is that? A Jackson?
Right.
Hello. Good morning, Ka. Hey, Shing is always an early bird. Very good. You are always an early bird, Shane. You are very good. I will give you many, many, many stars. Ah, you want star, right? I will give you many, 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 many stars. Because you are always very good. Yes? You are always an early bird. Very good, Shing Shing Shing. What is the color of your shirt, Shane? Today, what is your color of your shirt? Can you tell me the color of your shirt? Pink. Wow, that is a very nice shirt. I like that one. Is that Elsa? Is that Elsa, Shane? In your shirt? Princess? I think that is Snow White and who's that? Is it Snow White?
Yeah.
You have a very nice shirt. So, while we are waiting for others, Shane, I want you first to prepare your book, your worksheet. Okay, this one, your worksheet. No, your worksheet. We are now in science. We are now in science. Okay? Your worksheet is this one. Here. Science worksheet. Can you prepare? Prepare first your worksheet. Oh, Harris is here. Harris is here, coming. Oh, you answered it already? Okay, very good. But you have to listen, Shane, okay? You have to, I just want you to answer the question here, okay? Because you finished already answering. Hi, Harris. Good morning, Harris. How are you, Harris? Hi. You prepare your worksheet, Harris. Because we are going to answer this one. Say hi to Shane, Harris. Harris, good morning to Shane. Say hi to prepare this worksheet, Harris. Okay, prepare this worksheet with you so we can start. Because we're going to color this one. Okay. Harris, this one. Science. This worksheet, Harris.
หนูได้ยินมันนะแต่หนูได้ยินจ้าได้ยินก็ได้ยินไปเถอะ
Prepare that one.
ดูดิ
And I'm here.
โอ้ยโทรศัพท์ก็ปาก
Hello, Harris. This one,
ไหน
ค่ะ
กันบ้างดูได้นี่คือแค่ดูไหนนี่เดี๋ยววันนั้นฮาริทำกันบ้านเอาไปส่งอย่างนี้นะครับนี่ไง
Okay. Yes, that's one. Oh, you finished it. You answered already. You are very good. But you have to answer my question here, right? Okay, because you have
ไม่ได้ยินเสียงเลย
you are very good. You color it. Can I see it?
ไม่ดี
Let me see, Harris. You color it already. You answered already. Harris, very good. Okay, very good. Also, Shane, finish answering. You are very good. You know already how to answer that one. And Nicha is coming. Nicha is coming. Hi, Nicha. Good morning, Nicha. Good morning, Nicha. Can you say good morning to Shane and Harich? Okay. Where is Harich? Hi, Nicha. Nicha, you prepare your worksheet, Nicha, your science worksheet. You prepare this worksheet with you? Science? Okay. Prepare it because we're going to answer that one. So Shane is finished answering. You have to cooperate, Shane, right? The question here, right? Orange, Shane, and Nicha. Okay, let us start now. Okay, prepare this one for you. Okay, I prepared this one for you, and look at this one. Just a minute. Okay, welcome to our science class. Okay, now let us start. Our topic for today is about hot and cold, right? Hot and cold. So I give you here an example. This is hot and cold. Okay, first example here is fire. You see fire? Fire is very hot, right? Hot. Fire is hot. And this one, the ice. Is this an ice cube? This is a cold. This is cold. Hot and cold. Fire is hot. Ice cube is cold. Okay? So you know already what is hot and what is cold, right? You know already what is hot and cold? Okay, that is the first example. But before we go further, I want you to listen to this one. This is a very nice song about hot and cold.
Little angel.
The crab turns to blue. You like it? That is about that. This video is about our topic for today. Now let us continue. You like that video? Okay. Okay, very good. Now let's go to this one. I prepare here some example to identify if this object is cold or hot. You have to answer here, okay? You can answer cold or hot. So we have here first object. We have cubes, ice cube. Ice cube. Is this hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold, very good. Cold, very good, Nicha. Hurry. Ice cube. Hot or cold? Huh, Harry? Cold? I cannot hear you, Harry. Cold, okay, very good. How about this one? This hot. This one has a boiling water.
Hot.
Hot. It's a very good change. This one? The boiling water? Hot or cold? Hot. Okay, you have, let us circle the answer, okay? That's like that, okay? Let us circle the, okay, if it is hot, the circle, the color of the circle is red. If it is cold, the color of the circle is blue. Okay? And now this kind of drink, do you think this drink is cold or hot? This kind of drink. Cold. Shade, cold, very good. Harry, this drink, is this hot or cold? Harry, Look at this one, Harris. This drink, is this hot or cold? Cold. Open your, unmute your audio, Harris, so I can hear you. Harris, very good. So, cold. So the color of the circle is blue. And now let's go more to the other example. We have here this cup of coffee or this cup of, what's this, hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot. Change. Hot. Okay, this one is a hot drink. Have you said? Okay, so you can identify that this is hot drink. How about Harris? What is this? Is this a hot drink or a cold drink?
ไหนว่าทำกาแฟร้อนนะ
Hot or cold? This one. Look at our Harris.
เพราะว่ามีควัน
Harris, hot or cold? Hot. Hot, Harris. Okay, Harris, hot or cold? Can you say it? I want to hear your voice. Hot. Good. Hot. So we circle it with color blue. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, the sun. What do you think? Is the sun hot or cold? Sun. Hot or cold?
hot
Hot. Very good. And how about shade? Hot or cold? Sun. Hot. Okay, Harris. Also, Harris. Sun. Hot or cold? Hot. So we color we circle the hot red. Okay. And now let's go to the next example. We have here ice cream.
cold
Cold. Oh, Shane, very good. Nisha, very good. Harris. Cold, very good. Bear. Bear is coming. Is this Bear? Bear?
สีแดงดิ
Miss you, Bear. I love that you join our Zoom class. I miss you, Bear. How are you, Bear? How are you? Welcome, Bear, to our Zoom class. This is the first time I saw you here in our Zoom class. I am so happy, Bear, that you joined. Bear, you join every day, Bear, okay? I want to see you every day, Bear, okay? Like Harry, it's also very good. And Nisha and Shane, they join always the Zoom class. Okay, Bear?
โอเคไหมที่เชิญถามโอเคสิพูด
Okay, yeah. So you have to join the Zoom class every day, Pair, okay? Okay, Pair, how about you guys we're going to answer? Have you picked this one, Pair, your worksheet? Worksheet for science? You get it already?
เดี๋ยวหาก่อน
So worksheet for science, you're going to answer this one, Pair, okay? Worksheet for science, Star. Okay, you're prepared because you are going to answer this one.
no have to show
Not yet. Okay, you can pick this one up. Here in school class, we have this one. This is a new worksheet for this week. You can pick this one up and you can answer. And here, you just have to listen, okay? So if you can pick up your worksheet, you can answer it already, okay? Okay, Claire? Okay, very good. Now you sit down and listen. Okay, now let's continue. Now for this one, for this example, we have here a picture of fire. This is a fire, right? Is this hot or cold?
hot
Hot. Teacher change.
ได้ยินที่ชื่อตอบถูก
อ๋อ
Hot or cold? Fire. Change.
ไปนี่มันโอ้โห
Is this hot or cold? Harich. Change the fire. Change hot
เหมื
or
อนกันแล้ว
cold?
เลย
It's fine. Ah, very good, Shane. And also Nietzsche answer already. Very good, Harriet. The fire, Harriet, hot or cold? Fire, hot or cold? You have to remember the words hot and cold. Okay? If you can see this one, this object, you can know already if this object is hot or cold. Okay? So Harriet, the fire is hot or cold? Fire, this one, Harriet. Hot or cold? Can you answer? Harriet, hot or cold? Fire is? Okay, very good, Harriet. And how about air? I want the fire is hot or cold? Fire, this one. Hot or cold? Can you answer there? There, can you open your mouth there and give me your answer? Hot or cold? Fire, this one. Okay, I will give you first. I will go back to you for your pair. The ice cream is, they already answered the ice cream pair. And the ice cream is cold. Right? The ice cream is cold. And the fire, how about the fire? Is it hot or cold? Fire, Bear, I want to hear your voice.
อาจารย์
Hot. You answer hot or cold, Bear? The fire? The fire?
เดี๋ยวเขาจะบอกเขาจะสอนเขาจะได้ฟังไปก่อน
Bear, you say hot. Is this hot or cold? Hot or cold?
อะไรเลือกสิอย่าง
Bear,
โอ้
Bear,
โห
fire is
ก็เลือก
okay? Fire is hot. So we need to circle the fire. Fire hot. The
ตัวนี้สิวันนี้สิ
fire hot. Now let's go to this one. You know this one?
ดูไหม
Hot.
โอ้
Oh, Shane, teacher, very good. How about Harriet? Hot or cold? Hot or cold? Hot or cold? This one, if you believe this one, you feel? If you believe this one, you feel? Cold. You feel? Cold. Okay? This one is cold. We need to circle cold. And now let's go to our next example. Okay, we have in here. Our next example is we are going to color. Okay, it's time to color the. Okay, now we have here ice cube. Okay, what is the blue? Now we're going to color the ice cube.
ไปรอแป๊บนึงไปรอแป๊บนึง
We color the cold, right? So for cold, we will color. Color blue or red. Blue or
ดัง
red.
ค่ะไม่ดังค่ะ
Okay, or red. Okay, Nanisha.
ดังฟังดีกว่า
โอ้ยโชว์ตู้เย็น
Very good. So we will color the ice cube color blue like that. Okay. Okay, we will color that. We will color, if it is cold, you will color blue. And how about this one? This is the candle.
เล่
Red. We color red because this is hot. This is the hot object. If it is cold, color blue. If it is hot, color red. So I'm gonna color this one, color red like that. Okay, fair. You have to do like this, fair, okay? Alright. Okay, now let's go to the next example. Okay, you have to do like this pair, okay? You come, you get your worksheet here pair, so you can answer this one pair, okay? You have to do like this pair. So if this one, sun, red, because the sun is hot, so we need to color the sun color red. Harriet, red color red or blue? Harriet, the sun. What is the color of the sun, Harriet? Because this is hot, we need to color this one color red also, okay? Like that. You just have to do like that. Color red if it is hot and color blue if it is blue. Now let's go to this one. What is what? What is hot or
อะไร
you can see this one during winter. You can see this one. This is a snowman. You can see this one during winter. So what is the color? What?
Purple.
Blue. Blue because yeah, Shane, Icha, very good. Harriet, very good.
Oh.
We're going to color this snowman color.
ดูอะไรเนี่ยสโนว์แมน
Fair. This one is color blue. You need to color this one color blue because this is cold. If it is hot, color red. Okay? And this one is iron. Iron. So what is the color we're going to color? Is one is red, is hot or cold? Iron.
Red.
Red. Okay. Iron is very hot. You need to be careful when mommy or daddy will iron your clothes. Iron is very hot. So you need to color this one. Color red. Color red. Okay? Like that. On. And the ice cream. Wait, what happened? What? And the ice cream here. Color this one. Ice cream. Color blue because it is cold. So, Fair, I want to ask you, Fair, what is the color? What we are going to color the ice cream? What color? Blue or red? Is it blue? Blue. Very good, Fair. Harris? Okay, we are going to call this one blue or red? Ice cream. Ice cream. Blue or red?
Blue. Blue.
Blue, very good. Blue for cold. So we're going to color the ice cream.
เพราะว่าไอ้
Blue,
มันเย็น
okay? You understand already? You understand already, right? You finished already. You finished answering already, right? Because you are very smart. And now let's go for our last example here. I will give you one more. Okay.
ร้อน
So,
ฟันขึ้น
มันก็เย็น
make I prepare one point. There. This one. This is a hat. A hat or a happy. So what
ฟังอย่าถามหลายอย่างเราสอบไม่ได้นะ
for this one, Fair?
แพ้ this one
Hat, we will color. Hat, color what? Color
ไม่ใช่มัน
blue or red? Blue or red? I want to hear from you, Fair. Red?
Red.
Red, very good. Good. So we're going to color this one color red, like that, okay?
Red.
Color the hat object color red and the blue. How about this one? Shane and Nisha, the ice cream.
ไอศครีมบูออเรส
Ice cream yellow.
Blue, Nisha. Also say blue. And Harriet. Harriet also the ice cream. Okay, you're very good. And Claire, I want to hear from you. Ice cream color. Blue, very good. So we're going to color the ice cream color blue like that. Okay, you understand? You understand because because you are very smart kid too.
Yeah.
So you finished answering already. So I am happy and our time is already up. Pear, you pick up your worksheet here, Pear. And you attend here. Zoom classes every day, Pear, okay?
ไม่เปิด
I want to see you always here, like Shane, like Nina, and Harry. I will be happy to see you every day, okay? All of you. Okay, so our time is already up, and I want to say thank you to you for listening and for answering our worksheet. I'll see you again on Thursday. You don't have class today? Yes, Thursday. I'll see you again on Thursday, okay? Okay, Nika, Harris, Fair, thank you, and take care. I love you too. I love you. Hi, first. Fair, come here. Look at here, Fair. Heart sign first. And Nisha. Okay, very good. I love you, Titu. Bye for now. See you on
Okay,
Thursday.
bye.
See you
ต่อ
on
ไป
Thursday.
ตาอะไร
Bye. Love you.
ลี
Okay.